Hello, this is Pytronics. We will provide an online tutorial to let you practice on MicroPython programming using the Raspberry Pi Pico. In the previous tutorials we explain how to install the Thani application and to prepare the Pico to be programmed with the MicroPython language. Today we will start control the GPIO of the Pico, which are the input and output ports of the Pico. The Pico has got a 26 multifunction GPIO, which can be either input or output, depending on the project we build. In the last tutorial we learned how to control the onboard LED. Today, we will build a MicroPython code for a traffic light action, of 3 external LEDs. Let's start. You see a simple circuit consists of 3 LEDs with red, yellow and green colors. The long lead, the anode, connected to a resistor of 200 ohm to different pins of the Pico. In the next diagram the red LED anode is connected to pin number 2, and the yellow LED anode is connected to pin number 3, and the green LED anode is connected to pin number 4. The short lead of each LED should be connected to the ground pin of the Pico as shown. We open the Thani application and choose the Raspberry Pi mode. Then click on New icon to start new program. We import the pin and time module as we need them. We define 3 objects named as red, yellow and green. We set the pin number for each of them to be 2, 3, and 4 or any other available pin you like. We configure these ports as output using the pin.out argument. Now we create an infinite loop using while true and start coding the traffic light action. At the first status, only the red LED is switched on, which represent the stop status. In the second status, the red and yellow LED are switched on, which represent to get ready status. Finally, the go-ahead status, the green is the only LED that is switched on, while the red and yellow are switched off. We can add delays between the different 3 status as we need. In our case, we added a delay of 5 seconds after the go-ahead status. After that, the green LED is switched off and go back to the loop from the beginning. Finally, we save the program with any name you prefer, and as usual if want it to be your main program type main.py. This is what it looks after we run the program. See you in the next tutorial.